Okay guys, 2019 Subaru Ascent, 7-passenger. We took it in on trade. It is a rebuilt title. Did have some upper front end damage. Damage up here, barely touched the bumper. You can see this was kinked a little bit here. It was wrecked with 84,000 miles. It has 118,000 miles on it now, so been driven out, so really don't have any problems with the rebuild. It's got some good Pirelli tires on there. Cloth seats. It is a premium, no sunroof. Does have the Eyesite. 2 keys. So 118,000 miles, 682. Backup camera. Your different apps. Heated seats. All your power options, X mode. Got your adaptive cruise and lane assist. Blind spot monitors, power lift gate, power windows, locks and mirrors, power seat, your VIN number, all-weather floor mats, 7-passenger captain seats. Nice 2019 all-wheel drive Subaru Ascent, rebuilt title, 118K. You can check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.